Nintendo's new WarioWare-like mobile game, Pictonico, needs pictures from your phone's gallery, which might feel weird, but once you give it a go, it'll surely win you over. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Pictonico is a free-to-download game, but won't be free after a short demo it offers. It's got volumes. The Volume 1 contains 20 stages and costs $8, and Volume 2 costs $6 with 12 stages. These stages are made up of rapid-fire microgames, and each one requires you succeed at 10 of these games before you can move on to the next stage. And the games are wild. You might be shown a picture of yourself or a loved one with a nutcracker-style jaw, which you then need to use to rapidly chomp a bunch of items coming down the line. Or maybe you're a flower whose petals must be plucked, or a grumpy banana waiting to be peeled. Nintendo says your photos are not saved or shared in any way, which is somewhat reassuring since you really need to use photos that include faces for it to work. The game even gives you the option to choose a specific album so you can ensure that only pictures you approve are used in the game. You could also make an album just for that purpose and fill it with whatever you want. You can also choose Snap and Play to take photos right within the app to use. There's a lot happening in this game. Bright colors, arcade sounds, and chaotically upbeat music are coming at you from all angles. While this is going on, you have to do whatever is being asked of you on screen in a matter of seconds, or you'll fail the round. There's no time for thinking, just roll with the nonsense. And if you want more challenge, there are multiple game modes like Normal, High Speed, and Danger Zone under the Score Attack tab. Pictonico is ridiculous for sure, but it's an undeniably joyful experience and the best way to pass the time if you're alone. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.